Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today when we are going to talk about guys lava phone setting guys, and today video title is guys how to on touch sound in lava phone. Friends, you want to use your lava phone guys phone touch sounds, how to on and use guys touch sound in lava phone. Today friends, I am going to show you in this video. So before starting video, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. Friends, open your phone setting to on guys your touch sound. So guys, we will on phone setting. After on phone setting friends, click on guys your lava phone sound setting. So guys, we'll click on sound setting. So friends, you can see sound setting will on. So friends, you can see your volume adjustment setting, alarm setting, notification sound, and phone ringtone guys you can change from here. And as you can see vibrate for calls, friends, you want to use your phone vibrate for call setting, always vibrate. So guys, your phone will vibrate. You don't want to use, click on never vibrate. So friends, you can see your advanced setting guys, click here. Friends, you can see guys your dial pad tone. So guys, you can on your dial pad tone, screen lock sound, phone charging sound. So guys, when you will charge your love phone, your charging sound will on. Touch sound guys we will on. And guys, now let's see how to use. So guys, first we will on, and after guys, when you will click on your phone button, and guys, when you will click on any icon, so guys, you can use guys the touch sound, and you can use like that your phone touch sound. So like that guys, we can out and use guys touch sound in lava phone device. So friends, you want to off, so how to off guys, open your phone setting and guys scroll it sound setting, and guys again scroll guys, click on advanced setting, and guys touch sound is on. So guys, we will off from here. After okay, easily guys, you can use your lava phone without any tap and touch sound. As you can see, this tap sound, the touch sound will not work. So I hope friends you understood how to on and use touch sound and how to turn off it in lava phone device. So bye bye guys, we will meet on next video. Before going guys, please go and like the video, subscribe the channel.